Catanduanes through Republic Act 11700, which was declared in April 25, 2022. It declared that Catanduanes is the Abaca capital of the Philippines. And that deserves a big round of applause. And our export, 80% of the international need ay nanggagaling dito sa atin. It's a species of banana endemic only in the Philippines. And it's the strongest natural fiber all over the world against the man-made, di ba? Kaya mas preferred yan ng mga manufacturers, not only locally but internationally.
For inviting the Catanduanes local artists to showcase their artworks here. It's a big opportunity for us, for them, and their artwork showcase not only their artistic expressions but also the culture of Catanduanes. Because Abaca signifies the resilience of our people, the Catanduanes themselves. And as you can see, of course, Miss Abaca Finest, she's wearing the pride of Catanduanes. It's made of Abaca Pinocto. Wow. Yes. And you can also see some of the artworks. They also showcase the real Abaca fiber. And yes, of course. So, again, thank you very much for having us here. And it's nice meeting you, sir.
Pleasure, my honor.